Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. So I have here behind me a lovely little grey Volkswagen Polo. So I'm going to be cleaning this for my good friend Daryl. We're going to be getting this nice. It's not too bad, it's his daily, it does everything it needs it to do. Carries the dog a lot, so there is quite a lot of dog hair in the back and whatnot. But nothing too major, nothing too ingrained in a wiry little dog. So, so you know, it's not all that awful hair that don't come out. So first things first, it is a Saturday afternoon. I asked him to bring it around early so I can get started with it tomorrow, but I'm going to make a start on it now. So all I'm going to do is today I'm going to do the interior, or at least, like I say, make a start on it. So I'll go around, take any loose stuff out while I put your battery on charge, because I've realised it's low and I didn't do it the other day, which is bad planning. Remember, proper planning prevents piss poor performance. And obviously I didn't plan properly. So while you're charging, I'll go around, take all the loose stuff out of here. And then what I'll do is I'll set you up and you'll see me just give everything a good hoover over and get the bulk of the dirt out. So let's go. Alright, so interior ain't too bad, as you can see. He's got his rubber mats which will save the most of it, so I'm just going to take them out and I'll leave them for tomorrow, and when I've got the jet wash out doing the rest of the car I will blast those off. That's the best way to clean them, just agitate them and blast them off. It's the easiest way to do it, and then just let them drip dry somewhere. It's really not that bad. It's all that kind of hard wearing material that VW like to use, so yeah, really not that bad. Got a big infotainment system in the middle, so just a bit of dust around there. Rear is where the majority of the dirt is, but even then it's not that bad. It's just hair really from the dog. So all I need to do is just get in there. It's two-door, so get in there and give it a really good hoover out. So I'll set you up at the other side so you can see me inside, and we'll get hoovering, and then we'll get cleaning the rest of the interior. So I'll start off with the back, do the back fully, and then I'll move on to the front. So let's get on with it. Okay, so now we're onto the inside. Again, it's really not that bad. It's just dust. I mean, you see all that. Is it going to wipe off? Kind of. It's all just dusty. Down in here, just dusty. So yeah, it's really not that dirty. So I'm just going to hoover everything down first, and then I'll move on to the seats as well, hoovering them. Being fabric seats, I just want to go over it all, and then I'll pull these mats up, and then we'll get onto the carpet in the front. So as you can see, the carpet in the back came up really well. It's a bit of an annoying carpet because you've kind of got to go over it quite a few times. You've got to go one way, then slightly different the other way, then this way, then that way, and just agitate it until you actually get the stuff out. It's quite long fibred, but it's not that dense, so it kind of just holds things in like these tendrils, and it's really annoying. But you go over it enough times and you get pretty much all of it out. I've been using the tweezers as well to get little tiny like sticks that like weave themselves in, they sort of sew themselves in. Been doing that. So yeah, we're winning, so we'll just carry on with that. Let's see if we can get this knocked out. I probably won't get to wipe it down tonight, but we'll do that tomorrow anyway. I just wanted to get the bulk of it done tonight because I've been hoovering for, well, quite a while. About an hour or so. So yeah, we'll get onto that. So set you guys up. Let's get to it. Alright, so that's about all I can do before the sun goes down. I mean, it looks a lot darker than it looks on camera. The camera makes it look a lot brighter than it is. I had to make sure I didn't do any double negatives there or anything. So yeah, sun's going down. I've got a few little things of my own to do, so I'm just going to wrap up with them in the garage and stuff. But yeah, we've pretty much got it clean inside. We've got the bulk of the hoovering done. I'll probably have to go over the front in the light tomorrow when I can see it, but I usually give everything a final vacuum anyway to get any dust that I've stirred up or anything like that anyway, so it's really not a big deal. It's pretty much done. So tomorrow all I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe it all down, and then I'll get the jet wash out ready to start washing the car. And the first thing I'll do is I'll blast the mats, the rubber mats. I'll agitate them, spray some APC on them, agitate them, and get them, blast them and get them clean and have them drying somewhere, just drip drying. You don't want to put any like dressing on or drying aids or anything, obviously, because it's rubber foot mats. So if you're the driver and you've got slippy foot mats, you're going to go whoa. So bit of a no there. So, and then we'll just get onto the exterior of it, and the exterior really ain't that bad. It's literally going to need a quick pre-wash, wheels doing, and then the rest of it can get cleaned with a 2-bucket method wash. Nothing extreme here, so trying to keep this one a bit brief. A lot of my videos have been quite long lately, so trying to keep this one brief and on the low side. So I'll see you guys bright and early in the morning. Alright, next day here, we've got some lovely weather for once. It's good to break the cold spell. So got my shorts on. We're going to bring the Polo back over, plant it here, and then we're going to get on with the washing process, the exterior washing process. So I'm going to start with the wheels. Then I'm going to give the whole car a foam and a pre-wash and a rinse. Then we're going to wash it. And as we're drying it, we're going to use some Sonax BSD to put some protection on as we're drying it. So I used to use this combo a while back. I recently rediscovered it and I love it. It's really good. Quick and easy protection. It's good drying aid and it looks great, and the water repellency is great, and it lasts for ages as well. I used to use this on my Volvo just as its primary protection, and yeah, for the case of 2 minutes while you're drying it, it's brilliant. Can't get better than it. So bring it over here, let's get on with that. Alright guys, so I've tried to keep this one brief, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This Polo's looking nice and it's ready to go back to its owner. Really enjoyed doing this one. Pretty simple, pretty normal little car, and yeah, the great little things, and it was quite fun to just get my hands on something normal and give it a good clean, and it comes up nice rather than something that requires a lot of attention or something that's overly complicated or weird and wonderful. Nice to have a bit of normality to ground you once in a while, isn't it? So with all that being said, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.